You've decided you're interested in broth, but I have a question for you. What's the difference between using fat to make broth versus using bones to make broth? Hey guys, I'm Dr. Arland Hill and welcome back out to Harvest Hills Ranch. And today we're in my personal kitchen and we're going to show you what Leah's been doing as far as making bone broth for us, and then how we separate out the different components of what we get from the bone. So let me actually start with a batch that's just come off here, and you'll notice when you look at this, there's three things that you can see in here. You've actually got the yellow fat renderings in there. That's tallow. That's what everybody thinks about as the tallow. I'll talk more about that in just a moment. You've got the bones in here. Of course, that's where all the nutrients are coming out. And then the liquid portion of this is the broth. Now, you can see directly from that we're using the bones. Now, I want to show you when we render this down, after this is cooked down, it is poured in, we take the liquid and the fat and we separate that off. And what we do is we cool that. And once that is cooled, this is what we end up with. This is the broth from bones. This is not just where fat has been just cooked down. This is actually providing you the different collagen precursors, all the other nutrients that are unique to the bone tissue, to the bone matrix, are going to be found in this broth here. Now, when we put this in the refrigerator, it gets hard. It turns into more of a gelatin like what you're seeing right here. And then we take this back out and we reheat this. Now, you will notice, hopefully you can see this. I'm going to show you a better example here in a minute. But in this particular batch, right around the edge right here, you'll notice this whitish yellow appearance. That's the tallow. This is where we've scraped off the tallow. The tallow was sitting on top here. And now what we've got is, this is the tallow. And this will be heated back up and this will be put into jars and pressure canned here in our kitchen. This is the exact same process that we use in our commercial kitchen as well, to be able to make this product for you as our customers. But I wanted to show this to you so you can have a general idea of how this process works, why it's different than just taking fat and using fat as a starting point versus actually using the bone. And then at the end of the day, you get this great tallow that is rich in nice, healthy, saturated fats. It makes a very stable, unique cooking oil that you can bake with, you can pan fry. The taste is excellent. So hopefully you'll find a way to bring that into your diet. There's a lot of health benefits with this, so that's one that you can incorporate in. And we have this on the store, again, using the same process of production here that I've showed you for this. So take a look at these guys and enjoy the benefits from these different food components here that are coming from this grass-fed, grass-finished beef that we're producing out here at Harvest Hills Ranch. Hope to see you guys soon. Dr. Arland Hill.